Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful festive pretzel earrings. They are really easy to make. Here I'm using only one really simple stitch, and I'm going to show you only how to connect them and to make them look like pretzels. So I'm showing it really easy step by step, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will be able to make them. So if you want to support me and see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos for fresh beading ideas. And it's a good idea to do this because now I'm starting with the Christmas and festive tutorials, so you will be able to make presents for your friends and families and for yourself. If you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, and for this video what I'm using are really simple stuff. I'm using seed beads, ear wires, I use monofilament that is 0.006 inches through 0.15 millimeters, size 10 beading needle, scissors, and pliers that are not obligatory. I use them to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have about an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by taking 2 seed beads. Okay, and I'm going to slide them down. I will leave a small tail here because I want to make a knot, and I'm making a knot by making a loop and going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. And now I want to make one more knot here. Okay, now I have this, and I will go through one of my beads. Now you see how they sit next to each other. And what I want to do is my next step is start herringbone stitch. It's really easy to make, and my whole earrings will consist of herringbone. Okay, I have 2 seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this bead, you see where my thread is. I'm going through the other one, adding 2 beads, and I'm pulling. Then in my next step I will go through these 2 beads here. Well, here is my knot, that is why it's a little bit more difficult, but I could still go, and I'm turning my work the way it's easier for me. So don't worry to turn your work the way it's easier for you. In this direction or in this direction, it doesn't matter. Okay? Then I will add 2 more beads like that. And I'm going through this bead here. Then I will go with my thread through this one here, and then through these 2 beads. And I'm pulling. You see? Then I need to take 2 more beads, going here through the first golden, pulling, going here through under these 2, and then go here. Okay, now I have 4 rows. I will show you one more row. Okay, 2, go through this one, exiting of one of my goldens, I'm going through the next one, then turning my thread in this direction and going through these 2. Okay, now guys, I have 5 rows, but I need 40 rows, and I will make them off camera and I'll be back to show you what's coming up next. And now guys, as I continued beading, I have 40 rows. And now what I want to do is go here and attach this one to this one, okay, like that. And in order to do this, I'm going through this golden one like that, pulling. Then I will go here through this one in that direction. Well, my idea is to attach them. It doesn't matter exactly the way you attach them. Then I'm going through this one here. And now they're already attached. So now what I want to do is go here and exit from this side. And here what I do, don't worry it bends like this. This is the way I want it to look. Okay, so now I'm exiting between those two beads and I want to make two more rows. Okay, I'm taking two and I'm going the same like I did the herringbone before. Okay, like that. Fixing a little bit. Then I'm going through this one here. Okay, through this one. And through this one, like I did the herringbone before. If you can do this in one movement, but now I couldn't, so I did it in two movements. Okay. I think the pretzel bread is bending, that is why I'm not worried that there is a little bit of bending here. Okay, and then I need 2 seed beads. Okay. Like that. Then I will go one more time through here. And now guys, it's time to cut my tail thread here. I don't want this. Okay. And now guys, I have this. I have the first part of my earring ready. Okay guys. Now in my next step, I will go through some beads in this direction back there. And from here on, I want to start my next row, and it's easier for me to go in this direction, okay? So here I will start a next row of herringbone, okay? I have 2 beads. I'm exiting from this bead. You see this bead here. And I will go through this one. Okay. Just start a new row the same way you did before, okay? Then I need to go one more time through this bead here. And through the following golden. Okay. I have my first row. Then I will take 2 more golden beads. Going here. In fact, I continue the same pattern, same herringbone stitch. Nothing different, just changing the direction where I started to. Okay, now I have 2 rows. I will show you one more row. Okay, I have 3, and I want to have 22 rows in total. So 1, 2, 3, make 19 more to have 22 rows in total, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and when I continue beading I have 22 rows in total, and now I will count from here 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is the 9th and the 10th row, and this is where I will connect this one too. Okay, so this is the 10th bead counting from here, and I'm going through it. Okay, like that. Then I'm going through this one here. Okay, then through this one, then back here through this, and here. Don't worry, it bends in this direction, it's okay. You know the pretzel bread is not straight, especially when you bake it, so I don't think there is any problem with this one. Now I want to go here in the middle between those 2 beads, okay? And guess what? I will start a new row from here. Okay, I'm between those 2 beads. I will take 2 more beads like that, and I'm exiting out of one of them. I'm going through the other one, making some fixing. Going here one more time through this bead. And then through this one. Okay. And I continue with second row, taking 2, going through this one, then go here through these 2, one more row, go like this, pull. Okay. And now guys, what I want to do is make 8 rows in total. So here I have 3, make 5 more, and there will be 8 in total, and I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I have 8 rows here, and what I want to do is attach it here, and I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, and I will attach it here between the 6th and the 7th bead. Okay, I'm going here through this bead like that, pulling, then again through this one, and if you can in one movement go through this one here. Okay, then you know I'm turning my work the way it's easier for me, then go through here like that, and here. Okay, turning, then I'm going to take 2 seed beads, okay, going like this, And in this way I will be adding my last 2 herringbone beads. Okay. And in my next step I will attach my ear wire. In order to attach it, I will go through some beads in this direction. Okay, I want to count 13 beads from here. Let's say 13. Okay, 1, 2, and I will continue 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and I want to attach it here. Okay guys, and here I'm in a position to attach my ear wire. Okay, I will take one seed bead, I will take my ear wire and go with this seed bead through it, then I will take one more seed bead and I will go back through this bead here like that, and I'm pulling and I'm going through this one again to reinforce my work. Okay, and you could do this 3 times, let's say, and after that I will show you how I'm making knots. I'm making a loop and I'm going once, I'm going second time through the loop I've made and I'm pulling, then I'm going through my next bead like that and I'm cutting my thread. Okay, and okay guys, and now I have my pretzel festive earrings ready. If you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And if you want to support me, you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me only with this action. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.